everybody?
This is everybody.
Okay. Think about what we're going to see. We're going out of that Biola bubble.
So we have 20 million people in the greater metropolitan LA area. So we've got a lot of people. So one of the things that we're going to discover today is the gift of the diversity of people.
We're going to go on a 3-hour walking tour, and we're going to see 9 different areas of the city as they realize what they can do as a journalism student with the skills that they have.
The diversity and culture that LA brings is one of the biggest advantages to having a university close to the Los Angeles area. It also allows you to engage with those who don't look like you, don't think like you, and don't see the world the same way you do.
It was really eye-opening to see the amount of diversity.
I think it was made clear to all of us that the Lord dwells in LA.
Getting into the heart of the city is one of the many ways that this program equips and prepares us to tell the stories that need to be told.
When you walk in the city, you're a participant rather than just an observer.